请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for the Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes music from Sun Xiang and band called Before the Night, or Diya Ziqian. Now the lead vocalist is Ling Sun Xiang, and this song is dedicated to his father because growing up, he would often see his father gambling, spending nights with cigarettes and alcohol, caught between his ideals and the harshness of reality. Let's take a listen.
身边一包烟，滴呀之前很孤单，孤单之前。當高去阿爸念起的阿爸，再度多條路，讓我的行再上。風雨讓我的事在錯一則都市弄懂讓做的落地
已有10座金曲奖的林森祥带着森祥乐队呢，也发表了10张专辑。而这首《抵押值钱》是写给父亲的，因为小时候呢，他看着爸爸总是会去赌博，在夜晚时烟酒相伴，迷失在初衷与现实之间。他感慨到人生宛如是一場又一場的賭注。你們聽完了之後，是不是也有一些感觸呢？ I hope you enjoy that song again by Sun Xiang and Band called 抵押值錢 or Before the Night. I'm Joseph Lin, and thank you for listening.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.